Hey everybody, and welcome back to Tenza Motorsports. We have the car out of the garage. This is our M3 that we've been building, or, well, kind of an M3. It's got the motor and everything from a 330 Ci, but it's an M3 shell, so disrespected M3 is what I've been calling it. But we're gonna go drive that today. Before we continue today's content, we want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Super Clean who are sponsoring another giveaway. All you have to be doing to be part of this giveaway is be following us on Instagram and be in the lower continental 48 United States to receive this Super Clean giveaway. This is the original and the aerosol. I use both of these cleaners daily. That's why you see the shop as clean as it is. Keep stuff off the floor, keep stuff off the lift, off the cars. Fantastic stuff. Once again, huge thanks to Super Clean. Make sure you are following us on Instagram to be part of this giveaway. Last drive, this is what happened.
What is that?
I don't know. That didn't sound very good, did it?
No.
Wow. Okay, well, I'm gonna get this started enough just to get back into the garage.
So it wasn't super successful. Make sure you're following this car on Instagram, by the way. It's Nikki_Nightmare46. And then we'll also be taking out my race car. As you can see here, the car does run and drive. It's moved. We have driven it, I'll be honest, off camera. So that first drive that you guys saw, that was all legit. It actually, well, would say broke down. I had a couple things. The shifter, the bushing for the shifter came off and was touching the drive shaft. A couple other things that happened in that last video that stopped us from driving the car. It didn't even make it around the block. But now that the car has been tested somewhat, we're actually gonna go take it on a drive that's about, I don't know, I would probably say about 15 miles or so. Not anything super crazy, but we're gonna take this car, we're gonna take my race car, we'll take the drone, and we'll get some driving shots of the car. All right, everybody, huge success. The car ran absolutely great. We didn't complete this first big drive. That's the furthest it's been from the house since we put it all back together. We didn't do it without incident. Unfortunately, I had a power steering hose that was slightly loose, which would explain why it was dripping. I kept seeing green and I thought, oh, well, that's coolant. And I totally spaced that the BMW coolant's kind of like a blue-purple. And I just kind of ignored, like, if you look over here on the splitter, you can see there's green. And I just thought it was coolant, and it wasn't. It was power steering fluid. And then it just finally either rattled off enough or got enough pressure or warm enough that it was spilling it out the bottom where that connector was loose. So anyways, I really appreciate everybody so much for watching. The car has been so much fun. We absolutely love it. Even on NA power with just a tune. stripping out a 330 makes them so much quicker than they used to be. The build list for both these cars will be down in the description below. Any comments or questions, leave those down in the comment section. Thanks again for watching. We'll see everybody in the next video.
Bam!